guys, how you doing? It's your girl Jay the Trap Witch, and I'm here to drop some divine spells of wisdom on that ass. Leo, this is your reading. we gonna just get started. We just gonna get started because people don't be knowing and people just be trying us. This ain't about me. This about you though. This ain't about me. I gotta take myself out the equation and bring spirit in. Spirit. Actually, yeah, let's go ahead and light an incense. Let's go ahead and light an incense. Incense. This is not an incense. Incense for Leo. I don't know why. I didn't even realize I had this many. What incense for Leo? Leo. Look what we got. Meditation. Yo. Everything in divine timing, yo. Meditation. After this reading, I'm finna go meditate. I hope you all do as well. Because you may find some much needed advice and answers in the meditation, alright? So I'm going to make this reading as soothing as possible for the Leos. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Keep in mind that this is a general read, so none of the messages, some of the messages, all of the messages may or may not resonate with you, which is okay. Could be your energy, my energy, spirit, like so many factors. Okay. This is your reading, Leo. Substantial. There you go. Substantial. Substantial. Something took a long time, a substantial amount of time for you to get to this point. Substantial amount of money. I'm hearing substantial amount of pride. Of course, Leo. It's Leo. Where is Leo currently? Where is Leo present? Damn. That shit went. Right into my throat. Okay. Maybe you're needing to speak your truth about something. Yeah. Let's see. Stand in your power. I don't know. I feel like you're... Okay, I can't really say that because I don't really know. So, where are you now? I'm going to take this card because it needed to I was going to say it needed to fold out. Something needs to fold. I think you need to be more bold. You're being bold right now, okay? You're, Let's get into it. We have the Knight of Wands, the Eight of Cups. You could not be going back to a situation, but with the card in the Eight of Cups in the reverse, I'm hearing complacent. Something's complacent, something is subpar here, but you're not walking away from it. I mean, clearly with the Knight of Wands, I don't know if you're trying to weigh the pros and cons, or I don't know, somebody's words or somebody's the Five of Swords. It could have been hurtful words, could have started an argument. Someone is still thinks about this, or is still hurt or has, you know, feelings about it. Yeah, with the 5 of Swords, 7 of Swords. Could have been like a family dispute with someone else. What's the potential or challenges? Thank you. Okay, we have the Queen of Wands. So there could be the potential to hold off on doing something. There could be a challenge to move towards something. Okay. So something that's not moving forward towards something that you want, or something that you could be looking for. I feel like that's like self-deception or self-sabotaging the situation to stay where you are. That could be someone else's energy playing a part. But with the Queen of Wands, overall, that's just embracing the strong side of you, the sensual side of you, able to make, if this is like legal situations, moving forward, having the strength to know that everything is going to play out the way it's supposed to play out. With the okay, I said 9 of Cups. Being fulfilled in some type of way, because the Ace of Cups was in the reverse. So this is you or someone else not giving to a situation no longer. This is you maybe not having the inspiration. Someone's analyzing a situation for what it is. Deep, heavy thinking. Clarity is causing you not to be able to sleep. This shit's driving you crazy. Have like a migraine. Rub your temples. Massage your temples. I don't know. This is coming from a place of like self-esteem. Like, I can talk like this to y'all because I'm damn near talking to myself without being, what's that word? Biased? Whatever. Let me pull another card. Clarify the Queen of Wands. I'm hearing the Strength card. Okay, yeah, the World card. All right, knowing whatever things are gonna work out regardless. Things are gonna work out regardless of what's being given to you or not. Okay, there's a lot of, I feel like there's a lot of responsibilities here. There's a lot of responsibility here. Page of Pentacles, King of Wands. Okay. Knowing your expectations, having your expectations, standing your ground, but there's a lot on your plate, a lot of responsibility. Could be a lot of burdens in regards to money, so this could be financially. This is something tangible. Needing to change your perspective on how you're going to move forward in the situation confidently without overthinking. Yeah, it's like you self-sabotage yourself out of situations where you could have been happy. With the World card, things are turning in your favor though. Maybe you just don't see it, perceive it as that. What's the past? No? What to focus on? Oh yeah, I haven't did that. What to focus on? Lolo. Lula? Layla. No, Lilo. Lilo. I keep getting like Hakuna Matata. The star card. Focus on healing. Focus on... That's definitely healing. Restoration. Healing yourself. Healing your faith. Healing your faith in love. Healing your faith in wanting love. Because I feel like this is love within self. Love for self. And also maybe love with another person. Alright, healing in regards to not feeling as inspired or not feeling as motivated to get things done. You have the strength card. Your energy, Leo. Okay, being able to make wise decisions about whether you want to leave a situation, whether you want to sit and fight. I feel like not resisting. Alright, taking the path of least resistance. I feel like you've already struggled enough. Why would you want to keep struggling, Leo? Clarify. Oh, wait. Leo's past. We already clarified. What was going on in Leo's past? Yo, I'm getting like the Hunger Games. This is like real like competitive ass shit. releasing toxic traits, releasing toxic energy. Alright, yeah. Anything that was holding you back from getting your 10 of Pentacles, you have released it and let go. Alright, you have not. I think there could have been an opportunity being given to you, but you were opting out. You are taking a break to, I really feel, getting really your thoughts together. Because I feel like your thoughts weigh heavy at you. At you. They come at you like daggers. But they're heavy. All right. A storyline. Once upon a time, there was a girl with a dog. I don't know. I can't say I don't know, but I feel like, okay, somebody was living in like a fairy tale. Somebody was living in a fake story, in a storyline. I don't know. I don't realizing that. Okay, it's not always like that. The sun card though. Coming out the clouds. Damn. I don't know. Thinking a situation was one way, but it was really another way. So seeing the situation as it is rather than how you think it is, how it is truly. What is your strengths? What is your strengths? Okay, technically that didn't fall on the floor. Alright, so you have the ability to hold on to... I want to say that's two. Okay. Alright, we have the Judgment here. I feel like you're making good decisions when it comes to money, or when it comes to accepting endings. We have the Judgment with the High Priestess in the reverse. I don't be afraid to pull out the little book. I don't be afraid. For what? Who gonna check me? If you got this far and you watch this much, then I mean, it's not that serious. It is when you don't know where the fucking card is at. Alright, you're right. You're right, you're right. Yeah, I feel like you've made a lot of good judgment calls when it comes to your intuition, or at least now that you're understanding like where you're exactly right where you're supposed to be. You're planted firmly on your feet, steady, grounded. I feel like you're not allowing your past to hold you back from where you need to be. You're being completely honest about your situation and how you contribute to the situations as well. All right, going forward confidently. The near future for Leo. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, so I don't know. Can I get one more card for these two cards? One more card for this part of the spread to clarify. Because I'm not putting them back. I mean, they're out here. How was my battery? Y'all said my shit was... Just accept this shit and move on. Don't even argue. Let people have it. Whatever. So we have... Okay, so the cards that came out that I had to clarify was the Ten of Cups and the Justice in the reverse. I don't know. Maybe you feel like maybe situations were unfair. Somebody feels like this towards you. The Ten of Cups is something that you don't picture or something that you envision can still be there, but it's not what you was expecting. What did you get out of the situation? My deck is definitely not backwards. Or whatever the fuck you want to say. I smell Clorox. Bleach. Something, a slate has been wiped clean. Oh. Okay, so maybe this was the aim in the beginning, or this was what you were wanting, or this is what you were expecting, and it wasn't the outcome. I don't know. Bitch, I don't smell like, I smell Clorox though. Like, we don't use that shit. My mama know I hate that shit, but I smell Clorox. When you bleach something, that shit turns completely white. It gets any stain out, okay? So I feel like Spirit is wiping a slate clean for you. Wow. 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 Deadass. Deadass? That's what they said? Alright, so... I'm hearing that. I got this for, who did I get that reconfiguration for? I feel like it was Taurus. That same, the title. Whoever title I just did, that who got reconfiguration, I feel like, damn. So something throughout the years, something, because I'm seeing something from your past. There are lessons or things that you are needing to know, things that you need to pay attention to now that happened from your past, seeing how it correlates now from situations in your past where you didn't have the King of Cups, where emotions weren't expressed, where you weren't mastering your emotions, where you were unhappy in situations that you feel like were unjust or were caused unfairly. There's being balance brought to the situation. That's wild. All right, 7. What's this approach? What's the suggested approach? Okay, you need to know who you are, okay? If there's a way that you envision yourself, pick where you want to go. Pick how you want to be perceived, or like how you want to present yourself, like who you are at a core level. Knowing who, yeah. Getting clear about who you are, what you're wanting out of life, what you're wanting to manifest. What do you need to know? What do you need to know? What does Leo need to know? Something is a burden. Pick a side. Pick where are you going to go. Make the wise decisions. Make good, wise decisions when it comes to this situation. Because there's a 2 of Cups situation, a past situation with someone that's weighing heavy. That's a lot of responsibility. It has the Queen of Cups type of energy. It's on how do you want to handle this situation? Are you going to allow yourself to be deceived? Are you allowing yourself to be self-sabotage? Are you going to self-sabotage the situation? Are you strong enough to carry this 10 of Wands? Who wants to carry around the 10 of Wands? Knowing where it came from. I think knowing where that came from. Knowing where that burden came from. And do you want it back in your life? What's the hopes and fears right now for Leo? Okay, same Gemini energy, the Lover's card. We have the Ace of Swords. A lot of this shit is unclear. So there's something going on. Chaos, competition, drama, the ability to see clearly through the fog. But I feel like something about the emotion, something about the heart space. The heart space is filled up to the brim in a situation. Somebody's choosing not to talk about it. Oh shit. Okay, so this could be like a family situation with a Queen of Cups, a mother figure, a water sign, however the situation is. There's some clarity, there's some fog or a truth that's not being spoken about. This is the hopes and the fears. This situation is affecting your past relationships. I'm getting like family issues heavy, family rival, family lineage. When I grow up, I wanna be a... Well, shit, if you wanna keep focused, let go. Let go of the heartbreak. Let go of the hurt. Let go of any hurt that's been imposed upon you, forced upon you, willingly, unwillingly, beknownst to you. Take a different direction. Spirit is giving you the okay to go towards something. What's Leo's potential future? What's Leo's potential future? What's Leo's potential future? By the way, Leo. Oh, wow. Okay. Death in the reverse. Damn, how does that do that? How do they do that? That's what you're going to be asking. Like, I feel like this is a miracle. I don't know. This is... Spirit got something in store. Bitch, I'm excited, okay? Bitch, I don't know what this is. I don't know. Something came back from the dead. I feel like a yo-yo. Something is yo-yoing. Oh my gosh. What does that mean? Something is here to stay. Spirit, stop, bro. The Temperance card, something is being restored back to its original state. Sound bowl healing. Some healing is being done right here. What your potential future is, the Seven of Pentacles. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna leave it here. There's a new beginning, taking a new leap of faith. I feel like maybe you've had to wait. You've been in a period of waiting. No longer leaning to the past, looking to the past. If it's not for answers, not reminiscing about it. Okay, moving on. And then the Six of Cups, you're being offered help, some assistance, some advice, whether it has something to do with emotions, how to, maybe to do with finances. I'm hearing like a roommate moving in, a home. Can she see me? Yeah. Clarify the Six of Cups. I think she can't see me. My mom is sitting there. Okay, Spirit is telling you don't give up. Don't give up and what? Be on the lookout. Somebody's a lookout. But we have the Devil. I must leave it where it's at. Maybe you have to leave something where it's at. Maybe you're picking up where you left off. Who the fuck knows? All I know is I'm getting that expecting unexpected type of energy. The cards that I need, I'm gonna just start taking the cards that I see here. There's a release. Alright. Additional messages, please, for Leo. What do you have for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Thank you for joining me in my energy. Oh my, bro, what did I just say? Literally, bottom of the deck, nothing is yet set in stone, my nigga. That is so cray-cray. Mutable moon. So if you have mutable signs, make sure you look up what a mutable sign, if you're a mutable sign. I promise you, I'm gonna get better. But Leo is fixed. Leo is fixed, I think. But mutable. But nothing is yet set in stone. So whatever you thought was done, ain't done yet. We have, this is the first card that came out. A fiery climax approaches. Full moon in Aries. All right. I can't really speak on it. Okay. Oh, I like this. You are good enough. This is the full moon in Virgo. You can have Virgo in your chart, dealing with a Virgo, but you are good enough. If you've been feeling like you ain't good enough or you ain't worthy, yeah, you ain't worthy, like you don't have options and opportunities headed towards you, baby, nothing is yet set in stone, okay? We also have, look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. So if you've been, this could be in regard to your dreams, your goals, looking at the bigger picture, looking at the bigger plan. Okay, yes, you are here, but just see how you fit into the broader. I want to pull one more card. Because I pulled a 4 for everybody else. One more, please. Seeing how you fit. Seeing how you fit into the bigger picture. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. So, make sure you're contemplating. Make sure you're meditating. Yo! A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. I'm going to shut up and leave that shit right here. Leo, it was great to be in your energy. Until next time, peace.